Have you ever wondered if the simple sound of a crackling campfire could be a remedy for the winter blues? In 2013, a groundbreaking mental health initiative tested this very notion, targeting individuals suffering from seasonal affective disorder, SAD. As the days grew shorter and the nights longer, researchers turned to nature's most primal comfort, the campfire. They recorded hours of soothing, crackling flames and shared these audio clips widely. Surprisingly, listeners reported significant improvements in mood and stress levels, attributing their mental clarity to these auditory experiences. The initiative didn't just illuminate the power of natural sounds, it sparked a broader movement towards using ASMR and nature recordings as therapeutic tools. This experiment, though lesser known, stands as a testament to the profound impact simple, natural sounds can have on our mental well-being.